Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On today's Saturday the Core series, we're exploring Sheelin Irish Cream. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, you have anything you want to tell me about this
I
tiny
do.
mini bottle of
I got a
Sheelin
mini
Irish
bottle
Cream?
here of Sheelin Irish Cream. It's a pretty little thing there, 99 cents, the right price. A whole 750 costs you, I think, $10.99. But I want to spend that because God only knows what this is. It's mostly a Total Wine product. It is carried at other stores, but mostly, one of their Spirits Direct things. So it's already scary as it is. So, Then I found out when I was researching it, it's wine based with GNS and then mixed with fresh Irish cream. And it's made at a place called in Tipperary, Ireland by the R.A. Murray Company, who also makes Mary's Irish Cream and several other private labels of Irish cream. So I'm not going to give you the history of Mary's because they have their own products, so we'll give the history of theirs when we get to the point. This thing has no history because it's just a private label, so it's whatever, made by them. It also says it's a country cream. The new bottles say country cream because apparently Ireland's made a new law. You can't call it Irish cream unless it has Irish whiskey in it. So wine-based ones are now country creams. So this is an old bottle. Any of the new bottles say country cream, not Irish cream on them. So I thought that was kind of a cool new distinction from them. So let's see what we actually think of this wine-based liqueur.
I'm happy that they're trying to actually make a distinction and not allow
Agree.
for,
Totally.
you're adding gray neutral spirits. That is not Irish whiskey. I mean,
It's not even just granular spirit. It's that there's not even any whiskey in it at all. It's got wine based as well. So there's more wine there using this GNS in this. And you can smell it.
What's my proof point on this? I assume fairly low.
13.9%. So I mean that's the first thing I smell. So I was like, it smells like a Concord grape juice with some cream and mocha in it.
Yeah, a creamy mocha.
It's so grapey. It's not even funny.
I'm definitely getting that like grape jelly vibe going on.
Yeah, grape jelly, exactly. This reminds like a Welch's making your kids, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's so grapey, it's not even funny.
It's grape and Nutella though.
Yeah, I'd agree with that.
Instead of that peanut butter vibe, it's almost down to that hazelnut. It's more of a cocoa, but they don't
Yeah,
make a cocoa
totally.
spread, so I can't call it but it's more of a cocoa and grape.
It also reminds me of like if you ever smell like the Nesquik powder. It reminds me of that like dust that comes off of there when you open the canister.
Yes, that initial poof.
Yeah, it's what it reminds me of more than anything. Weird.
It has that powdery kind of feel to it.
It's a bizarre nose. All right, let's see.
It is, and it doesn't smell like a typical Irish cream nose.
Which is why I think they made that special destination because of that.
Whoa.
Oh, weird. Like grape jelly, cream mocha with this like mint gum finish, like Wrigley's double mint gum. What the hell?
Oh, I don't know if I like that, Johnny.
I don't like that. And I like most of course. That is not unless you like gum, like stale gum. It's what it reminds like gum, you find like on the bottom of like a table at a restaurant. Sort of reminds me of. That's bizarre.
I could understand how this is probably going to taste, but I don't know where it is. It's not in my glass. It's not that it is sweet, but it's just such a strange combination of flavors that just
weird finish.
That just I don't understand what's happening right now.
I like the front end. I do not care for the back end. The finish is just bizarre.
Well, I'm kind of happy you purchased a 99-cent version of this one and not a $10 version. This is
for real
strange, to say the least.
Yeah, apparently they make a peanut butter and I think a chocolate mocha or something version as well.
I think they might do better with the chocolate, but
maybe I don't know.
If they're all wine based, that grapiness is very
weird.
odd.
That is a weird thing with that's
Yeah, good on Ireland for changing their laws to not allow that to be called an Irish cream because that does not taste like an Irish cream.
Yeah, that's bizarre.
Yeah.
Oh, well,
All right.
whatever. Glad it was 99 cents, and that's all I spent on it, because that's all I'll ever spend on that.
Cheers to that, man.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Join the conversation. Become part of the community. Until next time, keep on crusading. Better whiskey in your glass. Cheers.
Not even whiskey. Wine-based liqueur.
Yeah, not even. No.